pepper, salt, tomato, sausage, onion, whip the egg like tornado. Put on the fire, now it hot like volcano. I can get some when it done. Hell no, say me whip it up, me beat it up before me put it on the pot. Add a pinch of salt, that is not enough. Some for the ancestors. Tomatoes, go give it some more flavors. Can't forget the onion, black pepper. I'm a hot stepper. When I cook it, I just put pepper, it just tastes better. Gordon Ramsay is a student, I see professor. But he does make eggs better. Never put the egg in the pot, scramble it up. Put it in the plate, add a little ketchup. Hops bread with some juice, I'm living it up.
Yeah, man. Big up on yourself, peeps. Yeah, man. Hope everybody alright and good, you know? Yeah, man. There's a bit of vibes. Yeah, man. Anyway, welcome back to another video. Gabidan Family TV. Yeah, man. Big up and bless up everybody and all of my viewers and my subscribers. Yeah, man. One love. Anyway, peeps. We decided to make actually do a video today based on Jamaicans vibes. Yeah, man, that are the whole aim of the video today, you know? Jamaican vibes. Yeah, man, so, me actually come across some videos with this guy, popular guy. Yeah, man. So this man is actually a natural juice man. There's a man who actually sell natural juice, you know, in our streets. Everybody's supposed to know him, popular and all of these things. Yeah, man. So, the whole thing will actually kind of spark for this guy now is in lyrics. Yeah, man. He's a man when he selling jokes, yeah, whole heap of lyrics. It's just everything we come out, it's like a man does rehearse, brother. A man does tough. You see me? The man does tough. Yeah, man. So it's just a laugh today. Just whole of vibes and yeah, man, enjoy the thing, see me. Yeah, man. So me actually kind of just play some clips with him. And, you know, we see where this thing is all about. Yeah, man. Real juice, natural juice vibes, man. Yeah, man, this is it. Yeah, man. So we just play a clip. We're gonna say, go on.
Yeah, man, General, see that too much relationship and mash up while prisoner pack up. Woman get lonely and frustrated and a ball for back up. All who agree with me put them on up. Carrot and pine. Forget them Joe saying off for farm the line. You don't notice that this is your time to shine. The health is a well. Beetroot, cucumber and carrot. This one is for your diet. You're not too slim and you're not too fat. I just all like set up. Make sure your mind make up and your thoughts not corrupt. Them things you are not stir up. Them things you make woman emotions stir up. And which one you take up? One you're good for you, when him come look for you, rub your foot for you, cook for you, Then if him treasure you, him now go use you have to measure you.
Yo, man, tell you peeps, Jamaicans, we are the best, man. Yeah, man. So I tell you, the man does full of lyrics, you know? So it's like a lot of persons, when they actually see the man, it's like, they must say, yeah. You know, they're quick to do a video with him. You understand? As in, like, you know, sometimes I wonder if the people that really go for the juice or the lyrics, the man lyrics they go for. But a good business. Yeah, man. I tell you, say the man does lyrically, right? So I tell you, say when I do them kind of business, and people, I just say energy. Yeah, man, just say energy, man, and when you give people good vibes and good energy, they go on and buy your thing. Yeah, man, I tell you, say the man does in tough, peeps, in tough. Yeah, man, I just decide, say, boy, I really have to do happy the panda one. I swear. Yeah, but so I listen to more lyrics and this is what I go on. Yeah, but man, in tough.
And its objective is when the man that trusts him, woman, the man detective. Don't plug. Remind us that God soon come. You know, see a PLH now fling down. 2 more baby swim come. We have to do something about 4 people income. When another car go bring come. Texture your ear, fit your darling. Your gentleman will not resist you. See there, as I leave the yard, say miss you. Because him can't resist you. Look at the chest. Can you imagine the rest? The first time I saw you, I was impressed. In your life, you want to invest. Anyway, them juices is not among the less. When you're tired, get your rest. Them juices is not among the less. When you're tired, get your rest. Lord know what is best. Young boy, see the send her a text, you know. This morning if I did leave her vex. Well, people them there. Cash a peanut and pumpkin. Cash a peanut and pumpkin. As a look, you want something. You have the one for Bill sister, you have the one for two, but it all depends on you. Look at life from this point of view. You're persistent.
What do you mean for juice? I know them lyrics when I was on juice.
Just survive, you know, just to survive, you know, you have to visualize and make your dreams materialize. You have to visualize and make your dreams materialize.
You hear for yourself. You understand? They say, hey, the man have a vision, brother. I mean, I know it's like, I think that this man are going to studio sometime soon. Yeah, man. If this man are going to the studio sometime soon, something wrong, brother. The man does lyrically. Yeah, man. Some I tell you, say, it's like, say, this man at the streets. Right? And him a go through and do anything. Just him vibes and the energy alone. Just him vibes and the energy alone sell off. I swear. Yeah, man. But you don't know, Jamaicans, we just have a different vibe over, you know? Yeah, man, so. It's a good look. It's a good look.
Where's the other one? Grab up.
The career flourishing, you know, these are the things that we should be cherishing, you know. Too many people perishing, you know. See, the car quick, you know, bicycle really move swift, you know. The woman and I tell you when them are drift, you know. You think of the tears from the grip, you know. See, the lyrics are come out of the computer chip, you know. Health over wealth, you know. Want some change, you know, everything looks strange, you know.
And you hear that? Lyrics are split from them computer chip. Eh? How them lyrics are come from, brother? But it's like the man does. I don't know, brother. I wonder if his man is a dancehall artist or something. Or it just natural as film thing that anyway say, but him bad. Yeah, man.
One that come like a vision, you know, the man have to make them decision, you know. Teacher be pretty too long division, you know, so them make too much wrong decision, you know. Young boy, look on the color of the juice, them. Pick and choose them. Whether foot and shoes, them. Health and your wealth, them. Ride out for ride off. Young boy, which one you take up? Too much relationship and mash up. Give me a bill. Give me a bill. And make sure the price is affordable. Bill see two of them. Yo, two bills see two of them. See the health and your wealth, you know. Peanut and blend up. Remember, say it's not a bag juice of fear, you know. The coming of the Lord is near. Wow, and the quality, remember, say you never buy none from here to the road, boy. Yo, see the other people in there. Come like a vision, you know. Come like a vision, you know. I want to make him decision, you know. He's a youth, respect religion, you know. See there, you know. Big him up, you know. Don't give him up, you know. And if you reach up this woman, I lift him up, you know. See there, you know. Health and your wealth, you know. Don't get to me right off, you know. I want the money right off.
Health and your wealth. Eh? Full of vibes.
You want to drop for my man go slide off. When I shallow water, I'm going to dive off. Come, my father. I hear you have to work harder. Color the lettuce and string in. You want to hear mama scream out. See there, when people, when the whole of our body line out. See it after your finger, them not join out. Pretty girl, I love your smile, you know, darling. Perfect me from my mind. Look how you're blessed. See that? Look from your head to your chest. Can you imagine the rest? Now the Lord know what is best. Anyway, now to ride off, you know, come like a decision, you know, regardless of your religion, you know. Jump,
Me want to take, man. Me want to take. Me want to take.
Me believe you, darling. So true that don't make him deceive you.
This hour.
See, the only thing him fear think about is to please you, hold you and squeeze you. See, because when my people say that, the one of the Irish mash, linseed and Medina. Can the comfort of reading a cleaner. Give me a bill.
More than one.
The one that terribly, you know, makes you talking a parably, you know. Tell them literally enough, no one hear nothing spiritual, you know. Till them condition get critical. Tell me if me logical. Now them some lyrical. God have to go save them like the prodigal. Yo, what my people them there?
Bop. Yo, the man lyrics them tight, brother. Eh? Lyrics them tough, man. Eh? Jano star.
Look in my fridge, young boy, because I remember I know you want to live. Just a peanut and pumpkin. I tell you, look, she wants something. Bird can't fly for one week. And which one you take up? Yeah, which one you take up? Relationship. Yeah, you back them thing you have to stack up. Wife to screw them slack up. She say you close them to pack up. See there, the young boy shot.
Where?
She said she want a magnum, because I remember I said, woman, them hard for coming up. See there, you know. Look here, you hurt them enough. Some of them not even tell us say you're welcome, you know. Come here, mommy, remember you're welcome. See it, come here, darling.
Yeah, man.
Love how you look, especially your foot. When you go over there for cook. See it, where my people them there. See it there, you know.
Hey, if I tell you one more time, I say the man thing tough, brother. Yeah, man, the man full of vibes, man. Yeah, man. Lyrically, man. Yeah, man, but they don't know I go the peeps. Yeah, man, in the street, and them a do him thing. And them a make sure say him juice him sell off. Yeah. So if people actually come go to him for the juice, them a go for something. How my son? Eh? Yeah, man, the man think tough, brother. Yeah, man, but it's all about doing business. And when you do business, you have to have a plan. And his lyrics are for him plan, you know. So you get two products, you get some lyrics, and you get a natural juice. Yeah, man. What about that? Hmm? Only a Jamaican. Who bad.
God alone can deliver. Think them clever. Them thing I come like a treasure. Young boy, we trying to ride at it. Yo, ask if the snake or the leather. As a nation, we have to assemble together. Which one you want to take up? Look like your mind neck up. Eat throat and eat the throat. Plant the one and the throat. Look like the brother you have a rifle to execute. Health is your wealth, you know.
Yeah.
That's the wrong question, man. Health are your wealth. Yeah, big him up. Big him right away and pull it. I see him belly and him plan to pull it. All right. See that? Some people don't know if them have to appreciate them life. I look for a bullet. Young boy, where you plan to take out of your wallet? See that? A bicycle, you scrap it. Woman around for them, I give them man jacket. And then the next pocket. That's the thing that's a pumpkin. And the looks of them want something. Make up your mind. Bible says we are living a perilous time. See that? Make up your one. Find yourself in a position to get your one. See that? The one with the spirulina. And she lean over and make nature take over. And I wonder if COVID and we under virus and have a live. That same 3 days. You have to think positive. Not at all. Just give me 5 and make me drive. At the end of the day, we have to survive. Your brother over there said they look like him a visualize so that him dreams can materialize. Remember, so we're not primitive in a while, we all are civilized. Young boy over there, so which one of them juice are your side? No, them say me make up too much nice. Anything they do right. Later as a swallow that now you have to give them a surprise. Vision in a make a decision. Come like a compromising position. Right or left hand. Woman a ramp on my left man. Yeah. Hold on, wait say, all the left one. See that? Come like a vision.
Yeah, brother, but there's a Jamaicans, we tough. Eh? They said the man tough, brother. You know, star. Base up yourself. Natural juice vibes, man. Yeah, man. It's a good vibes, man. It's a good vibes. Yeah, man. So we hear one more, some more in lyrics, cause yeah, man, I have quite a few of them still. Cause me actually, you know, me all the vibes off of them more. Me not lie you. By just listening to how we actually doing things like, yo, the man does, you know, does tough, brother. Yeah, man. All right, so we can check another clip. Yeah, man. Well, I'm not sure me actually play one here before. Hold on, the peeps. Yeah, man, I think I actually played that one already. Yeah, man, but yeah, man, him good like that. Him good like that, you know. He's a man where he can. He's a man where him tough, then kind of way, I swear. Yeah, man. Full of vibes, man. You know, brother. Alright, so we can find another one, peeps. God, this one, man, I know when he must split lyrics in a man. Lyrics are split like a dub plate in. Yeah, man.
Young boy, we trying to ride at it. God alone can deliver. Think them clever. Them thing come like a treasure. Young boy, we trying to ride at it. Yo, ask if the snake or the leather. As a nation, we have to assemble together. Which one you want to take up? Look like your mind neck up. Eat throat and eat the throat. Plant the one and the throat. Look like the brother you have a rep.
Alright, let me actually play about that one already still, but yeah, man, I get the gist. You know, him thing solid. Yeah, man, thing solid, man. You know. Alright, yeah, man, so play on a different one.
Victor. They can be comfortable with in a cleaner. Like our complexion getting cleaner. Come quick enough. Oil sick away the more stiff enough. Woman now tell the man and them a drift enough. Say it up. The one that name Tears of the Eclipse.
I want that. When are that?
See that I'm punking as a spin on so she wants something.
Bumbo.
See it and the one that take up enough. So I pop up.
So the one the big buckle big said of the smaller buckle? Smaller buckle.
You have the one for 3 if you set her free. Over yes, with the house of Africa.
Yeah.
And I talk quick enough.
That is it.
I'll tell you what, everything will combine. You know. Look at the flash of me that I'm pumping. As I look.
Yeah, man, that is it, man. Hey, me tell you, brother, yo, think tough, brother.
I'll tell you what, everything will combine. You know. Look at the flash of me that I'm pumping. As I look, so she wants something. So quick and put them on. Too much relationship and mash up. Prisoner pack up, woman get frustrated and lonely and about for back up. Wow, that's a big safety. We don't come for rob people. See that technician down there so work on vehicle. See that? I'm good over here. Young boy, how do I get here? Come here, can I bend up your face? No, money bad, man. Put you in a position with you in that case.
What I want?
Bigger one, you say come take up.
I want.
I want to blow up when I look at foot, hang up. One more, I bet say that end up poor. I bet say that end up poor. You come and can't chip up a port more. Yeah. Poor people can't take it no more. You see how quick them swallow it, when you walk by you, she get she don't get collide. And when she get it down polite, because she'll take it from you and get collide. Yeah. Young boy, you forget that $50 change. I just saw life arrange. She say you're not me. I keep it, because we're not charging lyrics them. All we the last one do the maths and the physics there. I don't big up, you know, the one they freshly made, you know, remember say them thing and the lemonade, you know. When the black people say hard here.
Yeah,
the boss boy for raise them wage.
Must sell. Just me I tell you.
Them say the boss boy for raise them wage. Come like when the artists them up on stage. Look when Christ upon earth, how much dead people him raise.
Brother, man, say it's like, say, hey, the man have lyrics where he just kind of like say, man, no, I don't know how to really describe it, but him just have a way with them lyrics. He just come like say, him attack, and all those lyrics here I get. And them things make him Joe sell too. Yeah, man, good business. Anyway, so we have one more video for you actually. Yeah, man. When you're in the streets and you have to work, you have to work and work smart. You know? If you want a customer, you have to know if you join the people. Them. Yeah, man. So this is the last video. The streets, the man them a hustle and you have the lyrics. Yeah, man, those are vibes. Alright.
We have a beetroot, non-sugar beetroot. The girls them drink this and them cute, it just make them be cute. And you see, when the man them drink it, it make them beetroot. The real Jamaica beetroot. The one here, the pumpkin colada now. You see the pumpkin colada with the pumpkin seed. It make any girl breed. It make the girl them real over them father and come give up on the border no matter if you live over Java. It's real. Come on over here, so now I'll show you what I want. The one here, the spirulina. You know, I sell no man if them not have no girl in here. Yeah, because when you drink this, I say I make you lift up any girl tail. So me nobody sell no man where they are prison and no man where they are jail. I want to have the June plum. When the girls them drink this here, they must say, oh yes.
Hey. Anyway, that are the end of the video anyway, still peeps. Yeah, man, I just hope you actually hold a vibe. Yeah, man, it was actually very entertaining as well. You know, so just go for sure you say, you see when you actually do something extra, especially when you're a person or you sell products, you know. Or even a man where actually you sell clothes, or you sell a shirt, for example. You know, I have the shirt put up nice and thing, and it's like you say, yeah, brother, like if you see my look on it and you say, brother, you know, say, yeah, man, the shirt that fitted, oh. Yeah, man, that shirt they are wear. You know much girl, you understand? We sell a brother a shirt or that the same shirt and I say the woman they love a shirt. So it's like say, you know, yeah man. If you have a way with words, you know. Anyway, it was a good vibe, peeps. Yeah man, it was a good vibe. Yeah man. But me tell you, this first video me actually did play. Me I tell you, it tough. Yeah, we can play one more time. I can actually hear. I think this video is actually viral. So this guy actually, me talk about it before me come to a conclusion. So this guy is actually doing a freestyle while he's actually preparing omelette, and the lyrics just are just natural vibes, you know. Yeah, man, Jamaicans, man, me just play it again. Me gonna hear one more time again.
Egg, black pepper, salt, tomato, sausage, onion, whip the egg like tornado. Put on the fire, now it hot like volcano. I can get some when you done. Hell no, say me whip it up, me beat it up before me put it on the pot. Add a pinch of salt, that is not enough. Some for the ancestors. Tomatoes, go give it some more flavors. Can't forget the onion, black pepper. I'm a hot stepper. When I cooking, I just put pepper. It just tastes better. Gordon Ramsay is a student, I see professor. But he does make eggs better. Never put the egg in the pot, scramble it up.
Yeah, man, give me the family TV. Yeah, man, it was another one. You know, it was a good vibe. If you actually make it this far in the video, just give a thanks. Yeah, man, just do the right thing. You know, like, comment, share. You know, tell a friend, tell a friend. Yeah, man, big up on yourself, man. So, but if I go watch back them video when me done, cause it's like me just gotta feel the vibes, you know. It's like you know watch them over and over and over and over. Very entertaining. Yeah, man. But that is just Jamaicans, you know, naturally. Anyway, until the next video, peeps. Yeah, man. Just bless upon yourself, do the right thing. You know, be real to yourself and others. You know, yeah, man. Bless up yourself. You know, I'm out.